Today, we're going to be solving a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. And the equation we're going to be using is x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. It's very important that your equation equals 0 because otherwise you cannot use the quadratic formula. If your equation does not equal 0, you must manipulate the equation so that it does. The first step is finding the coefficients that go with your variables. These are what we are inputting into the quadratic formula. A is 1, B is 6, and C is 9. Inputted into the formula, it looks like this. 6 and 6 for B and B, 1 is A, 9 is C, and 1 is A. Solving that, we have negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 36, because 6 squared is 36, minus 4 times 9, because 1 times 9 is 9, divided by 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. Next we have negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 36, because 4 times 9 is 36, all divided by 2. Negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 0, because 36 minus 36 is 0, divided by 2. The square root of 0 is always 0, so that's what we have next. Negative 6 plus or minus 0 divided by 2. Now here's where it gets kind of tricky. All quadratic equations have up to 2 answers because of this plus or minus, so we have to solve for both sides. Negative 6 plus 0 divided by 2 and negative 6 minus 0 divided by 2. Negative 6 plus 0 and negative 6 minus 0 are still both negative 6, so that's what we have next. Negative 6 divided by 2 and negative 6 divided by 2. Both of these answers equal negative 3. So that is our final answer.